Universe is so mysterious that it deserves a full video. But, in this video I will tell you some facts about space I bet you never know. Number 1, the universe is approximately 13.8 billion years old. The universe cannot be younger than the objects contained inside of it. By determining the ages of the oldest stars, scientists are able to put a limit on the age. He 1523-0901 is the oldest known star in our galaxy, the Milky Way. The star's estimated age is about 13.2 billion years. Number 2, the universe will end someday. Everyone has to go someday, even the universe. As long as the amount of stuff doesn't go over a critical threshold, the universe will continue to expand forever, and eventually suffer heat death, freezing out. But if there's too much stuff, the expansion of the universe will slow down and stop. Then the universe will begin to contract. A contracting universe will shrink smaller and smaller, getting hotter and denser, eventually ending in a fabulously compact inferno, a sort of reverse Big Bang known as the Big Crunch. Number 3, there are more stars in space than there are grains of sand in the world. There are 10 times more stars in the night sky than grains of sand on the Earth, with 70 sextillion stars being visible from Earth through a telescope. The biggest one of them is VY Canis Majoris. Number 4, we know more about Mars and our moon than we do about our oceans. 70% of Earth's surface is water. We have fully mapped 100% of the surface of Mars and Earth's moon, whereas we have only been able to map roughly 5% of the ocean floor. Number 5, only 5% of the universe is visible from Earth. 68% of the universe is dark energy and 27% is dark matter. Both of these are invisible, even with a telescope, which means we are only able to see 5% of the universe. Number 6, we always see the same side of the moon, no matter where we stand on Earth. This is because the moon rotates on its axis at the same rate that it rotates the Earth. It's known as synchronous rotation or tidal locking. Number 7. There are 3 main types of galaxies: elliptical, spiral and irregular. The Milky Way galaxy, the one that our solar system resides in, is classified as a spiral galaxy. And the monster collision between our Milky Way and fellow spiral galaxy Andromeda will occur about 4.5 billion years from now. Number 8. The first artificial satellite in space was called Sputnik. It was launched by the Soviet Union into an elliptical low Earth orbit on October 4, 1957. Number 9. Saturn is the only planet that could float in water. Although Saturn is the second largest planet in our solar system, it is also the lightest planet. Saturn could float in water because it is mostly made of gas, although the real fact here is that you would need a giant bathtub. Number 10. Pens don't work in space. Normal pens work by gravity pulling the ink towards the pen's nib, as you hold the pen in your handwriting part facing downwards. As there's no gravity in space, the ink doesn't get pulled to the nib. However, special pens have been made that work in zero gravity. But, what about pencils? The problem is that they have a habit of breaking, shattering, and leaving graphite dust behind. The wood, too, can make it a serious fire risk in the pressurized, oxygen-rich capsule. I hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to smash that subscribe button for more videos.